When I behold your glory, Lord, the heavens fade, my heart stands still. Your voice like thunder, yet gentle and kind. You whisper peace, and I am filled. Your majesty, no tongue can tell. Your beauty shines where shadows fall. You break my pride, you lift me high. You are my everything, my all. Tremble my soul before your throne, holy and righteous, God alone. Every breath I breathe, your mercy shown. Tremble my soul before the Lord. You part the seas within my heart and calm the storms that tear apart. Your love consumes my deepest fear. Your spirit moves and you draw near. The mountains bow, the rivers sing, creation bows before the King. And in that light I find my rest, forever held, forever blessed. Tremble my soul before your heaven's fire within me burns. My soul trembles as I learn. You are holy, you are near. Your glory wipes away all fear. Tremble my soul in endless praise, forever changed by boundless grace. Your glory reigns through all my days. Tremble my soul, my God, my praise. Here I stand in love divine. Your holy fire becomes my light. Tremble my soul, forever yours, forever